Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you a new feature in Windows 10 to take screenshot. So before we begin, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now and make sure you turn on the post notification so you can get my latest uploads. Alright guys, so when you open the screenshot tool over here in Windows 10, as you can see over here is new feature called Snip Sketch. Just click on that and it will open. It looks something like this. Just click over here new, and as you can see over here, new features. If you want to take a shot like this on your screen, and if you will see over here, if you want to take this option right over here, you can just cut this like this right over here. And there's lots of features. You can just go to full screen and you can just take a path over here. Suppose you are just cutting this, and you can highlight, you can choose your color also. Over here yellow, you can just highlight this, you can just erase it, copy and move, and if you want to save the image is over here. So guys, maybe Windows will just put this new feature and it will remove the old one. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this quick video. If you enjoy, so make sure you leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Peace out, bye friends.